Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to carry on looking at two-way tables, but we're going to be looking at some reasoning and some problem-solving activities. So we've got two examples which are going to be included in this video, and there will be answers at the end, I hope. If not, remember, go to the link that I've put on the website. But it shouldn't be a problem today. I think I've figured out what the issue is. So there'll be these questions here, and then there will be some other reasoning and problem solving questions which I've taken from Classroom Secrets, and I'll put those on the website for you guys to have a go at today. All right. So it's kind of taking yesterday's learning, just moving it on a little bit further, because we'll take this example that you've got in front of you here. All right. This table shows how many children own dogs and cats. Your first task is to fill in the missing gaps and answer the questions below. All right, so you obviously need a full set of data before you can proceed with these bottom questions down here. So I'm not going to go in and talk about the method for every single element of this table. I will just look at one part of it to give you an idea of how you should proceed to fill in the rest of the table. So you've basically got to use the clues that they're giving you. All right, so let's have a look at this missing value here. All right, we want to know how many boys own dogs. All right, we can see that there's a total in the boys column of 125. That's going to be really useful for us, and we can see that out of that 125 boys, 38 of them, 38 of the pets owned by the boys are cats. So what we've got to figure out is the difference. Okay, what's that other value? All right, what do I need to add to 38 to make 125? So just use the word difference there, and you'll know that every time we're looking at finding the difference, we're going to have to perform a subtraction. Okay, so you're going to take your larger value. All right, the total value, the total number of pets, okay, which is 125, and then you're going to subtract 38, all right, which will give you the difference, okay. And once you've done that, you'll end up with your answer. All right, you're going to have to do a little bit of exchanging there, which is something that you looked at last week. So I don't want to give you the answer now because that would obviously I would spoil it for you. All right, but you can then check that. Okay, whatever answer you then put in here, if you add that to 38, it should total 125. If it doesn't, then you need to go and have another go at that because you may have made a mistake, or you will have made a mistake. Okay, all right. So that will just give you a little idea of how then you are to proceed with the rest of the table. And once you've done that, answering the questions at the bottom should be a lot easier because it'll be a question of comparing, finding the difference, and working with the numbers that you've got in the table. Okay, so I'm going to keep it quite short today. Good luck with those problems, and we're going to be carrying on looking at data presented in tables tomorrow as well. Okay, all right, so I'll speak to you then. All right, goodbye, boys and girls.